Nudity, blood, guns, alcohol, drugs, violence, adult language may not be suitable for viewing by some audiences. These contents and other similar themes refer to mature content. I know as an artist sometimes we try to keep an artistic thinking on these contents, but when we will upload this on Redbubble, we need to consider something. Blood, guns, alcohol, drugs, minimal violence can be acceptable, but if your content has some malicious or hurtful swearing or any other form of adult language that specifically point to another member or social community or race, then these are not acceptable by any means. Swearing an adult language in a more general context is only acceptable. For example, Trump is a racist. This design is not acceptable because this code directly indicates to a person. But in a general context, shit happens. This design is allowed. These type of contents are also strictly prohibited in Redbubble marketplace. Displaying of sexual intercourse showing genitalia in direct contact is completely prohibited. Male or female masturbation where hands come into contact with genitalia in real or stimulated masturbation is also included in this list. Sex toys in use with genitalia or in a clear sexual context, including but not limited to penis rings, dildos, strap-ons, vibrators, etc. Your work should not contain a close clear look of vaginas or penis, or manually sprayed vaginas or anuses, either sex or by hand or manipulated open by any other artificial means. And it is also prohibited in Redbubble platform. Redbubble has a conservative approach when it's about any content with images of children. Children should be appropriately clothed, that means no genitalia, no uncovered bottoms, and for pubescent girls, no bare chests. Redbubble defines a child as anyone under the age of 18. Though in images of babies or infants, some nudity is acceptable, but it is highly instructed to cover the genitalia. Here is an example from Annie Geddes' portrait. This can be acceptable. At least now you have a clear idea what mature content is accepted and what are not. But still, artists should indicate that their work is mature content as a part of the upload process. However, this can also be done at any time using the edit work function. Marking your work as mature content ensures that it will only be seen by viewers who choose to include this content while browsing Redbubble. Failure to comply with this guideline may result in account restriction or closure. Let me know in comment section if you have any question in this. I will personally answer your all questions in here. Night out.